Do you know the difference between make and do? These two verbs can be quite tricky because in some languages it's just one verb, such as hacer in Spanish. But don't worry, it's a really common problem. In this video I'm going to show you the difference between the two verbs, how to use them, and then at the end of the video I'm going to talk about some really common collocations, so make sure you stay until the end. Hi everyone and welcome back to Pronunciation with Emma. So let's start with make first. So to make something means to create or to produce something. For example, I made you a cup of tea. I created a cup of tea for you. Therefore, I made you a cup of tea. We can also talk about the origin of something. This table was made in Spain. It's made in Spain, it was created, produced, it's the origin, therefore we're using make. Or we can talk about an item's material. This chair is made of wood. It can also be used when we're talking about provoking a reaction of some kind, such as watching sad films makes me cry, or an obligation. She made him leave the room. In this context, it's like using she forced him to leave the room. Now, do, on the other hand, is used for more general activities, such as I don't have anything to do today, or daily activities and tasks. I need to do the ironing. Have you done your homework? We can also use do to replace verbs when it's really obvious from the context of what we're talking about. For example, I need to do my nails, meaning I need to paint my nails. Now let's have a look at this example. If I say to you, what are you doing? The focus here is on the action that you're performing. What are you doing? I'm making a video. While make, the focus is on the thing that you are producing. So what are you making? A video. Now I'm not talking about the action, I'm talking about the thing that I am producing. Now it's time for everyone's favourite part, some collocations. So I'm going to give you a list with make and a list with do. These are pretty common ones, and they're also ones that I've heard my students confuse quite a lot. So I've very carefully picked these ones for you guys. With make, I can say make time, make friends, make an effort, make a mistake, make dinner or breakfast or lunch, make money, make a promise, and make a decision. With do, I can say do the housework, do homework, do a favour, do some shopping or do the shopping, do exercise or do some exercise, do research, do well or do badly, do a test or do an exam. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really like these videos, let me know down in the comments and I can make more grammar videos in the future. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos, typically about pronunciation, hence the name of the channel, Pronunciation with Emma, but I get asked about so many grammar questions, so that's why I've done this video today. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful week. See you soon. Make time. Okay, emergency over.